I think if young people can be involved in a meaningful participatory process, sky's the limit. Young people bring fresh and creative energy. Youth are at the forefront of innovation. They're developing new technologies. They have like starting their own startups and in so many sectors, from clean energy to waste management to transportation. And like SRM is so interdisciplinary. We never know what technology from what sphere can come in and kind of mitigate the risks or scale up some of the ideas that we have now. And I think young people have, proven to be one of the most resilient in the face of change. And I think that we can contribute in ways that most stakeholders can't imagine, both technically and socially. But this will only happen if they're empowered with quality education and training, finance, and meaningful employment opportunities in the geoengineering sphere, which is gradually growing. But as new opportunities come up, I'm sure that young people will be given the opportunity to contribute. And young people, time and time again, they've participated and contributed and catalyzed some really important changes in our political system and power sharing dynamics, which I think is a very key issue around SRM, is how to make sure that the power is fairly distributed. And because some nations will clearly benefit more than others, young people can actually be a key player in ensuring that the power is fairly distributed. And in this digital era, young people may be more open-minded, tolerant, and even more socially aware than some of the other stakeholders at the table. As one of the most proactive group of young people have demonstrated their proficiency in engaging with diverse groups of stakeholders, from academia and governance to indigenous communities and research groups, really helping consolidate their views. And I think if given the opportunity, young people can serve as a bridge. They can be the common factor, like every community, whether that's indigenous, whether that's developing nations, whether that's the most developed nations, they all have youth and they're all striving to empower them. So this can actually be like a common factor, especially in terms of any barriers faced in international governments. Young people can really bridge the stakeholders, and they can play a very central role in shaping a inclusive governance process, which I think is one of the core issues around SRM. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you.